Hello everyone, welcome to this video on Django REST Framework. My name is Arya and today we will explore what DRF is, why it's so powerful, and how you can use to build robust APIs for your Django applications. What is Django REST Framework? Django REST Framework is a powerful and flexible toolkit for building web APIs in Django. It simplifies the process of creating RESTful APIs by providing tools like serializers, views, and authentication out of the box. Next, let's see how to set up a Django REST framework. First, I will open my terminal and create a virtual environment for our project. This will help us manage dependencies and keep our project isolated. For creating virtual environment, type Python VENV, create virtual environment name DJENV. Maybe it will take some time. So now I will activate the virtual environment. I will run DJENV scripts, activate. So now I activated my virtual environment. Next, I install Django and Django REST Framework using pip install Django REST Framework. Successfully installed. Next, I will create a new Django project using the following command: Django admin start project. This create a new directory called my project. I will navigate into it. CD my project. Now I will create a new Django app for our API. I will call it my API and run Python manage.py start app. My app name is my API. Then run my Django project manage.py run server. Click this link. I can see my Django environment. Back to Visual Studio. I will create a model for name as book. Before that, I go into my project folder. There is a file settings.py. To use DRF, I need to add into the installed app listing settings.py. There is installed app. Before that, we explored the documentation of DRF, Django REST Framework. Here you can see the whole process to install and how to add the REST framework to your installed app. Copy this from here. See Visual Studio. Also add our project My API. Now I will define a simple model for our API. I will create a book model with the fields for the title, author and published date. For that, we go to models.py and create a model, name book, class, book, first field is title, author, published date. Models dot date field. Create a def str return self dot title. Next, I will create and apply migration to set up our database table for book model. I will run Python manage.py, make migrations, create a model book, then run the command Python manage.py migrate. So you can see here is a migration folder and there is a file for book model. Automatically create a ID for your model, then title, author and published date. Now I will create a serializer to convert our book model into JSON. I will create a file called serializers.py. serializers.py and import the serializers from REST framework. also import the book models from your Google book. Create a serializer class book serializers dot model serializer. Using class meta to access all your model fields. Model equal, the model name is book, right? All fields, access all field in you. Otherwise you can list all your field name, this title, author, published date. Okay, we can create a serializer. Now next I will create a view to handle API request using drf generics.list create API view. Go to views.py and from REST framework import generics we can import our serializer book serializers, create a class book create app view. Where is it? Book dot objects. Okay. And also import our model box from dot models, import book, issue is solved. Then serializer class is book serializers. Finally, I will define the URL for our API. I will open the urls.py and import from my API.views import book this create and also create the path path dot as view. And run the python manage.py run server, and you can see the following link. Click the link, and this is the interface for DRF, and I will add one title, atomic habits, James Clear, and the published date is 2022. February, and post to save it. I already add 3 more titles here, that's why the ID is 4. If you are adding first title, the ID is 1. So the JSON file. Okay, if you are new to DRF, I encourage you to try building your own API. The official DRF documentation is a great resource for learning more. If you found this video helpful, and try to follow this, and thank you for watching.